you and I, we were born to die.
Hey guys, welcome back to 31 Days of Halloween. Today's video is this half colorful skull, so let's jump right in. Starting off, I'm taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm just doing one of my brows. The other one we're going to block out so you don't have to worry about it. Then to set them in place, I'm taking my NYX Control Freak Clear Brow Gel and just making sure the hairs stick where I want them. Now taking my Tarte Shape Tape on a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to be carving out the brow, and then I'm going to go ahead and prep my lid for some shadow and then blend that out with my Flower Beauty sponge. Starting off, I'm taking this hot pink shade and I'm going to set that on the outer corner of my crease. Then I'm going to take this orange and I'm going to put that right into the center, really tapping these colors in and making sure the pigment is there. Finally, I'm taking this yellow shade and I'm putting that on the inner corner of my crease. Once they're everywhere that I want them to be, I'm going to take a fluffier brush and blend those all together. Then I'm just using my Shape Tape and that same concealer brush to cut my crease. I also don't set this with translucent powder because I want the shades to be very bright. Then I'm taking this blue and I'm going to set that on the outer lid, and I'm using a small definer brush. Next, I'm taking this green shade and I'm putting that on the center of my lid, making sure to blend those two colors together. Finally, I'm taking this purple and putting that on the inner corner of my lid. To highlight, I'm taking my Kathleen Lights and ColourPop highlight, of course, and I'm just highlighting my brow bone. Now for foundation, I'm taking my NARS foundation and I'm going to blend that in with my Morphe Beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm only going to be doing one side. I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape because this is a really light shade and I want full coverage. And I'm just putting that under my eye and on my chin. For my under eyes, I'm just taking the same exact colors I used in my crease and putting them below. So the pink first, then the orange, and then the yellow. And really making sure to blend those three together and connect them to the top. Now I'm using this white liner. I think this is the Wet n Wild liner pencil. And I'm just drawing out where my skull is going to be, my eye socket, and then my cheekbone, and also halfway down my face. I'm using a white pencil because if I mess up, I can just wipe it away with my fingers. Now I'm taking my black gel liner. This is the Maybelline gel liner. I'm going down the middle of my face and then creating my skull nose. Always have a reference picture. There's a million on the internet and it'll be so much easier. A skull nose is so easy to draw out. Now I'm just setting some yellow down at different points in my face. So I put one near my temple, my forehead, my nose, I guess the bridge of my nose. And there's really no method to this, just put it down wherever you want. I'm also taking the orange and setting that literally anywhere on my face. I do this with a lot of colors. You can use any colors you want. If you use 2 colors, 5 colors, 6 colors, 1 color, well, not really 1 color, but like, you know what I mean. I'm using here yellow, orange, pink, and then I go in, I believe, with purple, greens, and blues. So I just pretty much use all of the colors, or the brightest colors, in my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm just going to speed through this part because it's literally me just applying shadows on my face. Then I'm going in with my Maybelline gel liner again, and I'm going to start to draw out my eye socket. So what I'm going to do is outline it first, and then I'm going to start to fill it in with a flat brush, because you really can't fill it in with a liner brush. That'll take literally so freaking long. And I'm also going to carve out my cheekbone before I get into filling in my eye socket. I also top the black with some eyeshadow just to set it in place. Now I'm taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and I'm just contouring the other side of my face like I normally would, my forehead, cheekbone, and my jawline. For blush, I'm taking my Tarte blush and I'm just putting that on my cheekbones. Then, of course, taking my highlighter, I'm putting that on the high points of my face. And I'm also putting that on the place where I put a bunch of colors down, just because I wanted to put highlight there. Literally no reason. You don't have to if you don't want to. Now I'm just taking this white NYX liner and I'm using that to draw out my teeth. This is pretty hard to explain, but it's really easy to do if you just use a reference picture and follow your own teeth as a grid. It's super easy. Fill it in with white and then you're gonna outline it with black. Then I'm also taking this white NYX liner and using that to create a wing. I wish I would have done white lashes, but I didn't. I should have. Now I'm just going to highlight all around where I put black lines. So down the middle of my face, over my teeth, well, my cheekbone, I guess. And just anywhere that I put the white over my eye as well. This is just going to add more detail. I also did my chest off camera, but that was super easy. All I did was take a big blush brush and put different colors down on my chest. And then I did white stripes to mimic the bones on your spine. And then I outlined those in black. It was honestly so easy. My white contact is from Amazon, and my gray wig is also from Amazon. And yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like it down below and also subscribe to my channel because it just makes me so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye.